Jounetsu passion. I found my passion. Watashi wa jounetsu o Mitsukemashita. Gaku shu'u learning. Learning became important. Gaku shu'u ga ju'u yo'u ni narimashita. Gijutsu skill. I developed technical skills. Watashi wa gijutsu o nobashimashita. Puro guramingu. Programming. I studied programming every day. Mainichi puro guramingu o benkyū shimashita. Koodo code. I wrote many lines of code. Takusan no koodo o kakimashita. Kaihatsu development. I enjoyed development. Kaihatsu ga tanoshikata desu. Project project. I built many projects. Watashi wa takusan no project o tsukurimashita. Shipai failure. Some projects failed. Ikutsu ka no project wa shipai shimashita. Kaizen improvement. I improved my work. Watashi wa shigoto o kaizen shimashita. Manabu to learn. I learned from mistakes. Watashi wa machigai kara manabimashita. Nintai patience. I learned patience. Watashi wa nintai o manabimashita. Keizoku persistence. Persistence helped me succeed. Keizoku ga watashi o tasukemashita. Zenshin progress. I continued moving forward. Watashi wa mi ni susumimashita. Kikai opportunity. Found new opportunities. Atarashi i kikai o Mitsukemashita. Junbi preparation. I prepared for my future. Mirai no tame ni Junbi shimashita.